back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga, how I found it from the 1st to the 4th of July 2025 on Tuesday. Xoli's quest for revenge knows no bounds. Mangubane tried to make things right and gift Nosi a doll. Gumede failed to cope with family responsibilities in Ntombi's absence on Wednesday. Thembi may have to choose a future without her brother. Sabelo and Gumede find that they can't buy their way out of everything. Zandile struggles under the weight of being deputy parent, and Sugar Basin takes one more step toward independence on Thursday. Thembi and Sabelo try different ways to turn the dangling fate of their careers around. Gumede is faced with hard truth about his relationship. Mangubane's financial constraint put her in an uncomfortable position on Friday. Sabelo is hit by the reality of his fallout with Pinga Record, and his effort to retaliate have gone pear-shaped. Thembi has been given a difficult ultimatum that may cost her the relationship with Sabelo and Dulles. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comments.